Hi friends, it's Liz here. Today I will be showing you some projects I have made with the latest Coco Reno design team kit that I have received. I will be showing some projects but also the items that are in the kit. So this is the kit that was here for November, and I ended up receiving it a little bit late. I received it in December. However, I'm so excited about getting it because it has some really lovely stamps, and you can also get the die set. So the sentiments are sentiments that you can use all year round, and that's how this was designed. It is really a nice set. As I said, you can use it anytime, and I really like that there's a variety of things you can use throughout the year. I have used some of these stamps in some of the projects, of course. As soon as I got it, I had to start playing with it. And then for the dies, they also come with what's called a wrap set. I did forget to show you, all the stamps come in that really lovely pouch. I think it's just great to keep everything organized. And the die sets always come in a little fabric pouch as well. So these are the wraps, and they are meant to wrap around items. So for example, those coffee mugs, they fit mostly, I would say, the miniature coffee mugs. And then it's got some other pieces you can also layer around and wrap around, I should say, items. I didn't end up using them here, but you would combine two together, like glue them together in order to make the full wrap around an item. So that's what they look like when you die cut them out. This is a little banner, which I think is really cute right here, because it also gives you the folded outlines, so you can fold the little kind of banner to the back of it. And then there's sets of two each here, which is the top and bottom of a wrap if you wanted to wrap it around something. And you can see what a cute design that is with the little hearts. And of course you can use the little hearts, to include them in maybe little shakers or something that you're working on. My favorite by far is this one. This is the Rosette Die. It is so cute, and I had so much fun. This is the first time I've been able to make a little rosette, and I really like how it came out. And then it includes all these additional little pieces. You can see the 4 sets there for the different seasons. And then you've got 2 different sizes of the circles, and then the circles with the little edges there that you can see here. So this is the largest one here, and I did use one of the stamps on it. Super cute set and so versatile. So really enjoyed playing with it. You will find a link to the shop in the description box below as well. So the first project that I made was this little pocket that can hold maybe some tea or a gift card. I used the Merry Christmas stamp from the set, and then I also used the mini rosette. Like I said, it's super adorable. And then I used a little gingerbread person right there. I thought it was so cute. So you can add whatever you would like to the little pocket. They can even become ornaments on a tree, or you can tuck them in the tree as well. And I think that they would just look super cute with the little additional, embellishments on them. So for the rosettes, you need to cut out 2 of them and then join them together to make the little shape of the rosette. I made another one here, again using the little rosette. This one's just one of those little pillow boxes. And so what I did is I used the rosette and the wraparound, one of the little wraparound pieces like I showed you here. And then look how cute it actually wraps around. It is so cute. And then I used the little Christmas tree for the top of the rosette. And like I said, I'm loving playing with these rosettes. They look so adorable, and they really help embellish a project. It kind of pops things out. It gives it dimension, and it's just really nice to use. So I'm so happy. I did end up buying actually a set of rosettes from their shop. I will be playing with those different styles soon, but I really had fun putting this little pillow box together with all the different elements. And then I made these little library pockets, again using the one of the stamps. I just kind of added the wraparound there just as a sample. So again, I used one of the little wavy circles. I used a little gingerbread person, and then for the little flag, I just cut it in two and kind of layered it to give it like a little flag look. It's not really like the one that is 3D, but it's flat. And then I made another one, another little library pocket. For this one, I used the Winter Wishes stamp, and I used like gold stamp ink. And you can see again, it's just got a really nice, you know, just really, it really embellishes things really nicely with the stamps. And I really had fun with these projects. So I'll be making more for sure. Check out my Instagram. I'm usually able to post pictures there before I show them here. Check out my blog and check out their shop. There's always new things to see with the Coco Reno. I'm loving being on their design team, and I'm having so much fun creating with their items. So if you have any questions, leave them below. Let me know which project you like the best and if you're going to try any of them. All right. Thanks so much for stopping by.